Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing. There were funky Chinamen from funky Chinatown.
What's up? So there was a pop-up little truck meet that happened, just like literally like right down the street from me. So yeah, I went cruising on a little motorcycle and saw that there was a pop-up truck meet like less than a mile from me, and I went and grabbed my quads. Well, one 4-inch quad, a little tiny thing, and then grabbed my DJI and went and filmed it. So before I sit here and ramble on for too long, let me shut the fuck up and we'll go fly. Yeah.
See, they want to keep those chains on me. There's no way to shake them loose. And they got a nigga trap. All that crap that they do. It's time to blow the motherfuckers off the map. Freedom run some time ago. Slavery is in the past, bitch. Singing these bitches, calling shots. It makes a nigga wanna slick. The understated bitch I stand. Cause that I'm a colored man. Respect we get from them. It's the trash you get from garbage cans. But they say we equal. It seems to me they started conflict with this shit. They leave us niggas with peoples and bitches. Scraping and we scratching just to earn a honest buck. But the best thing is dropping the hood is by a nigga driving a Mack truck. Selling stand back to back. Make my people bitches crack. So much pressure from the world. Man, it's killing the boys and girls. Never clank an angel, but no stranger to this shit I speak. Man, it makes me sick when people be telling me turn the other cheek.
And here's the DJI part of the video. Woo! What's up? Thanks if you made it this far or skipped this far. It doesn't really matter to me, it's the internet. But yeah, shout out to all these pilots all over the screen. Yeah, thanks for watching my dumb videos, and we'll see y'all in the next one.
By the mall staircase where we're not allowed. Kicking flips, popping wheelies.